So what is up, fellas? I'm here in my 1992 Ford Tioga motorhome, and as you can see, I'm getting ready to rebuild the front bunk area. It's completely rotted out. That's pretty bad. But as with anything, it can be rebuilt. I'm going to pull that front window out, get rid of it completely, strengthen these walls. At least the walls have steel frame, so that's a good thing. But get ready to take these chairs out of here because I never did like them. I'm going to rip all this out. But that's not the main concern of mine. When I bought this RV, it had water damage. I don't know if you can see it, but wood smells ripe in here. The light did work. There we go. You see the roof's falling in. I mean, it's pretty bad. Whenever I bought this RV, the cover for the skylight there was missing, so it just rained in here and rained and rained and rained, and it got water damage all through the ceiling here. You can see it's soft. It's pretty soft. Even this wall, you can see all the water damage. So anyway, it ran down the wall into the flooring, and on the bottom of the RV on that side is starting to separate from the side, delaminate and everything. So I'm getting ready to tackle a pretty crazy project here. It's probably gonna look retarded, but I've decided to remove 12 feet off the back of this motorhome. So I'm gonna take from where you come in the steps right here, cut everything out. I'm gonna gut the inside, take the walls out, and put a partition across the back right here. Stove will be gone. I'll remove the sink. I'll redesign the whole interior. Now put a new sink over here and whatnot. Only thing I really have to move is the fridge, the shower, and the bathroom. So I figured I can put that stuff where them seats are, and then I'll just do like a wet bath with the toilet in the bathroom. And then I'll have to redo the power unit, which is down there, but that's no big deal. That can all be relocated because the main plug, everything goes in the front. The propane's underneath that side over here. My water tank and pumps under here. My furnace is right here. I won't have to move any of this. And then the like the propane fridge and stuff, I can just rerun the lines. But the only problem is my gray tank is back here. My black tank straight underneath the toilet. But that's cool. I can just get rid of that altogether. Even if I wanted to, I could just put a shower and just use like a composting toilet or just a bucket for all that's worth. I mean, it's not like I'm living in it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's gonna look goofy, but I figure if I cut 12 feet off the back and make it into a flatbed on the outside, then I can get my buggy on the back and some 3-wheelers and whatnot. Plus, I'll save how many pounds off? Maybe 800 pounds, maybe. Who knows? Yeah, I'll take my queen size mattress and I'll put it up here. So I'll still have a sleeping area. I'll still have the dinette right here, which I'll probably convert. Maybe just do like a, I don't know, maybe do the sink here, put the microwave up here, kind of like how it is now. Just move it here. Get rid of all these cabinets, maybe. Not sure. We'll see. I can really accommodate for space, but the fridge I got to keep. I definitely want a fridge. I really don't care if I have a shower. I mean, it'd be nice, but I think all that, like I said, all that can fit right here pretty decently. So we'll have to see. I'll have to move that thing out, which is no big deal. But that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting ready to strip this interior down and wing it, I guess, and go from there. But as far as I know, the back of this RV is completely trashed. I'm not going to put any more time and money into this thing. And like I said, I'd rather just have a toy hauler because I'd actually use it more. So, hey, why not? I've never seen anybody do it, so hell with it. I'll be the first. Alright, I'm going to get these captain chairs taken out of here and rip this carpet up. Well, I started tearing the back bedroom apart. Look at that black mold. You can see all the water damage real good now. Look at that ceiling. Oh, I'm so glad I'm ripping this thing apart. It's just a freaking mess. Look at all that water damage. Started tearing that cabinet out. Look at all that water damage in there. It just fell apart. The floor is really soft right here. Started taking the cabinets out. Sweet. I'm going to take this bed frame out. I'm going to take all the stuff that's underneath it out from the outside. Get this all cleaned up. Alright, so got these captain chairs pulled out. That was fun. Had to have my buddy Bruno come over and help me with that. I had to lay underneath the camper and hold the bolts while he took the nuts off the top here. So then we cut the linoleum out and pulled the carpeting on top of it. So it's all good. The wood's actually in really good shape on the floor. It's really strong. Won't have to do any kind of repairs here. Yeah, I'm thinking probably put the bathroom / shower right here, or the fridge right here, or maybe not even do that. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, you can see how bad this water damage is up here, man. It's so bad. Oh. Yeah, I'm probably definitely going to put the back wall right here. And then the rest will be flatbed. I think it'll be cool. I don't know. It's going to be some fun rewiring though. Shouldn't be too bad. I think once I get this back section off, I'll figure out where all the wires are. A lot of the stuff goes in here, into the main panel on the stove. You go everything works too. Fresh water, LP, holding tanks. That one's full. That one's empty. My shitter, I drained the shitter. Gray water's full. Battery's good. My generator actually works. Hour meter works too. Hub light, water pump, water heater. So yeah, but that's where we're at now. I took that off and then threw everything out. I got to tackle this next. Oh my, I'm pretty sure that roof's going to cave in. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You think I'm crazy? I figure, what the hell, I'd probably use this thing more if I can get my buggy on the back or some 3-wheelers, you know. It's going to be one hell of a project, but winter time's coming. I hope to get that front end fixed up here, though, first. I'm going to get that resealed up and put some new wood in there and rebuild that up, put the bed back up there, and that way I don't have to worry about water damage anymore. And then I'll work on the rest of this over winter time. But until now, that's it. I think I'm going to hit this tomorrow and get a couple people over. We're going to get this back end ripped out and plan my next move here. But alright guys, till next time. See ya.